Hello friends, this is 34th serial number problem. Find first and last positions of element in sorted array. So here we have been given a list of elements in a sorted manner, but there may be some duplicate numbers. So like this, that what are the duplicate numbers are there, from which index to which index it has occupied those numbers of target. Now we can observe that here in the example you are given 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, target is 8. So the target 8, where it has started, where it is ended. It may be, it is only 2, right? We are displaying the starting index and ending index. It may be 3. The index ending index will be changed like that. As it is sorted array, the target number must be side by side. One after another it will come. So that from which index to which index it is occupied. That is the matter here. Now in this, we are giving target is 6. Is there any 6 in this? So there is no starting, there is no ending of this one. So that we are returning -1, -1. Here empty, we are trying to find out the number which does not exist in the list. So it is returning like this. I hope you understand this one. We need to go like this. Here binary search is more than enough for us. Binary search means we will take the target mid value, we are compared with the mid value and everything, but we need to recursively call that same thing. We are getting the elements, we are taking an element, something like a search range. What is the search range it has written? So in this we are taking the search ranges, we are taking a list of elements and the target we are taking. In this here internally we are calling multiple number of times like this. That is an array. We are calling that starting element must be and ending element must be. We need to get it. Now here how we are taking, we are sending that array and we are taking the target element -1. Before index it will stop, and here this is the target up to 1. Like 1, once we are taking like this, here the number will be sent to this place. Binary one helper function we need to take for this. In this we are getting the numbers and target value and direction, in which direction we are going for. The direction is mandatory for us, means we are coming from backward and forward like this. Here starting index is -1, we are starting before first element. It may be the first element, so that we need to start from -1, and ending length is length -1, nums length -1. Here always the loop must control like this. How this is now, why starting index always must be less than or equal to the ending index. It should not exceed that ending index. So that is the condition we are talking about. Okay, in this here while loop will be ended, while loop will be at this place, and we are taking the mid function, mid index. The mid index is equals to the target. What is the target we are trying for? The target it is. So we need to identify like this, number of mid index, and this is the element. Index is equals to index is equals to -1, and final index will be written. Index is equals to -1. So just we need to return the mid index of this one. Otherwise we need to take the maximum index of this one, which is maximum. IDX is maximum, mid index is maximum. Among these two things we need to return back IDX. Based on that, in which direction we are going for. Direction is equals to -1. So we need to go, and is equals to mid -1. So we are checking in first half of. If it is not, we are checking the second half. Start will be moved to that place. So here the index keep on changing, and finally the index will be returned. For one direction, one index will be written. For second function call, another index will be written. So this binary helper function will return the first index and last index. That index value will be written back to this place. So this is the solution for this. So here I am running this program. Just check it out whether it is accepting or not. Yeah, it is accepting. I am submitting this code. Okay. Yes, it is accepting. Thank you.